2019-20 Contenders Optic basketball personal box for Min. This is 630 Min 630. All right, let's get a big one. We got Donovan Mitchell. We have Colin Sexton on the silver. The red is Kevin Love. Kevin Love is the red. Another old school on the auto. This time it's Chauncey Billups. Legendary Contenders auto for the Detroit Pistons is Chauncey Billups. Should be a lot of rookie autos left, I would imagine. We got 4 vets and 1 rookie out of your 5 boxes, I think. Damian Lillard and Larry Bird on the historic pick 6 overall pick. Lillard and Bird. Prism. And then All-Star Aspirations. Magic Johnson on the red. Cracked Ice. Magic Johnson. Not a great box that time, unfortunately, man. Send over half of that and we can keep ripping.